Very good morning and welcome to EASTCon 2021. Faculty members from all over the India. Last year, team had conducted EASTCon successfully with 2,220 delegates, which was applauded by all our beloved members. In continuity of COVID-19 pandemic, EC has decided to conduct conference virtually only and given a chance to Team Hyderabad to conduct EASTCon on 12th September 2021. The theme of the conference is the Man Ki Baat Doctor Ki Saath of STI and AIDS, which is perfectly suitable for younger doctors as well as practicing dermatovenerologists. The unique theme of the conference is short talks followed by panel discussion, which will cover practical tips definitely useful in our day-to-day practice. On behalf of organizing committee, I thank our President Dr. S. Murugan sir, General Secretary Dr. V. Mohan Kumar sir, Treasurer Dr. G. Chandrasekhar Rao sir, and whole team for giving us the second time opportunity to conduct the EASTCon 2021. I also congratulate my team members, Organizing Secretary Dr. Bhumesh Kumar Katakam, Scientific Chairpersons Dr. G. Venkatamana sir, Dr. P. Narasimha Rao sir, and all other beloved members. I thank one and all participating delegates. I hope everybody will enjoy this educative and scientific feast. I thank you one and all. Jai Hind.